how to create tables with alternating row colors in Google Docs. So if you want to create tables with alternating row colors in Google Docs, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser, go with the upper right, which has your Google Apps, and from here you'll find the documents. You just need simply go with the document, and you need to go with a blank document. So insert a page or go with a blank document. Once you're under your document, now if you want to create tables with alternating row colors, first you need to go with insert, go with table, and then select the table. For example, I'll choose 4 into 4. Once you've selected the table, now you need to again go with the format section, which is on the upper left. And under format, you need to go with table. And under table format, you need to go with table properties. Once you click on table properties, you're on the right side, you will have your table properties. So make sure that you have the color section. Go and click on color. And now you need to select the first row and go with the background, add a background. Go with the second row, again, choose another background. Go with the third one, and add a background, and now the last one and add a background. So that's it. That's how you can create tables with alternating row colors in your Google Docs. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.